Today we came to like Chonburi, Satakip to grab the waste and clean the beach.
We hope that through these little activities, we're able to reduce the waste of marine and coastal line, as well as preserve the ecosystem of aquatic animals.
And we feel like we have do a good thing for social responsibility, and we feel pleasure to having us here to help the environment. We have the teamwork and help each other to clean the house.
We saw the turtles very happy because their house is very clean today.
And helping us.
As a global financial services group, the group has consistently adhered to the high standard of corporate governance. We are committed to actively addressing environmental challenges, promoting social equity and enhancing human well-being in our daily business operations, striving to create a better future.